Hello, friends. Do you see that tiny bird over here? Over here? That is the mother to these little guys on my hand. They have been growing to my window about 4 generations now. I think this is the fourth or the fifth. And these guys today, they came out and I'm helping them go because they can't move from the window. So guys, yeah, there they go over there. Oh, yeah. Yeah, they move that way. Okay. Oh, I'm so happy. They are gone now. See you next time. Normally they go like this, and after 2 or 3 weeks, the mothers will come back to lay again. I'm not sure if the same mothers or the one who left last time comes back. I'm not sure, but that's how they do. See you again, guys. Very tiny birds. Hope you see one over here. Very tiny. There they go. Here is their nest. Last time there were about 4. I'm not sure this time. Or maybe I haven't seen the other one living. I have seen only 2. So here is where they are laying. Oh, there's another one inside there. So here is where the mother comes in and out when I close the door. Hey buddy, you wanna help too? Do you want me to help you? Will you not be scared? Okay, let me try. I know you're here. Are you ready to go out? Yeah, I hope you do because... Oh, yeah, here comes... Oh, 2 more. Oh, here, buddy, let me help you. Okay, here's the third one. The mother is there outside. Do you see? Hey, can you go? Yeah, there it goes. Wow. Wow. Oh, it falls down, but it's gone. Wow. Here's the fourth one. Hey, buddy, let me help you out. Don't worry, not gonna hurt you. There you go. Oh, don't cry. You are safe with me. Oh, the fifth one. Here's the fifth. Oh, whew.